Hello everybody. In today's work from home and virtual environment, it's more important now than ever that we really hone in on communication, particularly written communication. So I don't know if you're experiencing this in other places in your life, but here at ACI Transport we use email a lot, Teams chat, text messages, and oftentimes I find in written communication, even myself, I make mistakes all the time in misinterpreting tone, not being clear enough in my written instructions, making too many assumptions or incorrect assumptions about what the other person knows or doesn't know. And so I think it's a good time in our culture right now to really double down on being clear with our communication and precise. So before we send stuff, we got to take a few minutes or a few seconds to just read it through and read it for clear understanding. And so to help highlight why clear instructions and not making assumptions are important, I'm doing a throwback to a lesson I had in high school, shout out Mrs. Voigt, called the Peanut Butter and Jelly Sandwich Challenge. So I asked members at ACI Transport to volunteer and write me instructions on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I have all those instructions and I've picked out a few that I'm going to share with you guys today and go through and channel my most ignorant self as I try to follow these instructions as precisely and as literally as I can. So thank you all for watching, and at the end of this video, I hope you can all take some time to kind of reflect and see where in your communications every day you can strive for some improvement.
Hi. So I'll be reading the instructions today. You may or may not hear me off behind the camera here, but the idea will be I will be reading these as instructions. Some of these have some anecdotal nature to them, so do our best. I think Aaron's gonna kill it. Action. Feeling like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yes.
Go to the kitchen and wash your hands.
Done.
Lay out bread on paper towel.
Done.
Grab the peanut butter out of the cabinet and the jelly out of the fridge. Get a butter knife out of the drawer. Spread peanut butter on one slice of bread.
Okay.
Wipe off the peanut butter.
Okay.
Squeeze jelly on the other slice and spread.
Okay.
Cut in half, then proceed to eat.
Okay. Not bad.
Not bad.
Okay, I'm ready for the next sandwich.
Sandwich number 2. Take out ingredients. A, peanut butter. B, jelly. C, bread, 2 pieces. D, a knife for spreading. Very good. Spread peanut butter on 1 piece of bread. Spread jelly on the other piece. Put the 2 pieces together. Put the ingredients away and knife in the dishwasher.
Okay, I'll take that to the dishwasher after.
PB&J is ready to eat.
This one tastes like more bread.
You will need peanut butter,
Check.
jam or jelly,
Check.
bread.
Check.
Step 1, open the bread bag and remove 2 premium slices of bread. Step 2. On one slice of bread, spread your peanut butter evenly across. On the other side of the bread, spread your jam evenly across. Place the side with the jelly on top of the side with the peanut butter. Very important, cut peanut butter diagonally from one corner to the other.
I don't think that part's going to work.
Harder to do.
Yeah,
Okay.
no.
Peanut butter sandwich number 4.
I'll try not to be an idiot on the next one. Okay.
Ingredients needed: 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, Jif.
Oh,
4 tablespoons of
Okay.
peanut butter, Jif.
Four tablespoons?
4 tablespoons.
Okay. I think this is a tablespoon.
Pretty close.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons Jif.
2 tablespoons strawberry jelly or jam.
Okay. One. My spoon is too big. We'll call that 2. Okay.
Handful of potato chips.
Okay.
2 slices of white bread.
Okay.
Instructions: smear 4 tablespoons of peanut butter on 1 slice of bread.
All right. There's chips in my peanut butter. Okay.
After the peanut butter, use the same knife, spoon, to smear 2 tablespoons of jelly on the other slice of bread.
Okay. Okay.
Take a handful of potato chips and place on the jelly side.
Yes.
Place the other slice of bread on top of the potato chips, peanut butter side down.
Peanut butter side down. Okay.
Smush. Eat while standing in the kitchen.
I don't want to eat the whole thing.
Yeah, you just have to try it. You just have to try it.
Okay. Need a minute between rounds on that one. Okay. I am ready for the next sandwich.
All right. So this one, these set of instructions have a anecdotal preamble.
Okay.
I will skip as they're not instructions.
Yes.
I will go straight to the tools and then the instructions. What you will need: you will need creamy peanut butter.
Check.
You will need white glutinous bread.
Check.
You will need strawberry jam or jam of
Check.
choice. You will need a paper plate.
I have a regular plate.
Okay. You will need a butter knife for spreading.
Check.
You will need a tablespoon for measuring.
I'll be right back.
It's doing a great job.
Okay, tablespoon acquired.
All right. Step 1. Place 1 slice of bread flat onto your plate. Open your peanut butter jar and use tablespoon A to scoop 3 tablespoons of peanut butter onto this piece of bread. Replace the lid of the peanut butter to keep the dog out of there. It is 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons as measured as you can have them.
Okay. Onto the bread.
Yes, on the bread.
Three. Okay, there's 3 tablespoons.
Excellent. Replace the lid of the peanut butter. Step 3. Use your butter knife to spread the peanut butter evenly onto the slice, distributing evenly and reaching all corners.
Okay, it's as even as it's gonna get.
Reposition the now peanut butter smeared bread to the top of your plate, allowing space for your second piece of bread.
Okay.
Step 5. Place the second unpeanut buttered piece of bread onto the plate, laying flat again, positioned just below the first slice, closer to you. Step 6. Open your jar of jam. Use tablespoon B to scoop 2 tablespoons of jelly onto your bare slice of bread. Replace the jam jar lid unless you want ants.
Tablespoon is too big. We'll improvise. Sorry, how many tablespoons?
2.
2. I'm just gonna eyeball that. There, that's about 2 tablespoons.
Use your butter knife to spread the jelly evenly, reaching all corners of the bread.
Okay.
Step 8. Without disturbing the toppings, place the peanut butter smeared slice of bread face down onto your jam smeared slice so that the 2 condiments meet. Don't look now. You have a sandwich. Step 9. Enjoy.
Favorite step.
Verdict?
It's a good PB&J.
Excellent.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed me making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Thank you, Gary, for reading the instructions, and thanks again to everyone who submitted instructions. Obviously, making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich is a pretty simple thing, and a lot of people know how to do it. However, I really hope this highlighted that you can't make instructions too clear, and you can never assume that another person knows exactly what you want. So you really need to take that time to work on clarity of instructions and make sure that you reread what you write so that you can try to take it in from what the other person is going to read. So thank you all, and if you have any questions, comments, or would love to discuss, let me know. Myself, Gary, Jesse, we'd love to get in a room and talk more about it. We had a lot of fun making the video, so thank you. And yeah, if there's any other training ideas you have, let me know.